The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 Honda Odyssey that has a factory installed raised side rail. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream TimberLine base roof rack system. So this system consists of the JetStream load bar in black, 60 inches in length. The TimberLine tower comes in a set of 4, and that has a stainless steel rubberized band that connects to the rail. Crossbar spacing, quite a bit. You have up to 52 inches from bar to bar. Weight carrying capacity, maximum 165 pounds, evenly distributed. It's a great system for cargo boxes, baskets, kayaks, paddle boards, bikes, pretty much you name it. So yeah, that's just a quick walk around on this particular vehicle. For more pictures, pricing, details, availability, ordering, all that good stuff, make sure you click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you back to our website where you can check out all that information. And yeah, this is a dirty van. So yeah, there you go. Just a quick walk around. Again, links in the description below for more details. And that's it. So like always, thanks for watching.